So let's say that I have made this selection over here and I want to move it to a different part of my project. Although that is not a smart thing to do at all, because behind this bag there's nothing. So there will be a pure white or even probably transparent background. But I want to do that, for example, I want to move this. So as you see, I click and drag and it will be moved just like that. And the white background, as you see, is visible over here. But I can move it to wherever I want. And that's basically how Move tool works. This is actually an interaction that this tool had with the selection tools. But this is basically it. So you click and drag and it will help you move different parts of your project and if the different objects inside your project, as easy as that. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.